Happy Mother's Day, Mentor Mariel from Limitless Core.
You are an incredible mother, strong and amazing woman. We don't say it enough, but we really appreciate all that you do to inspire us every day. You are truly the glue that's hold us, our family together. We always admire you. Happy Mother's Day to you, the greatest mom, Mentor Mariel Padilla.
Love
you from Team Agape.
Hi, Mentor Mariel. I'm Chona from New York City, and I am a Sapphire Elite Executive of Agnes Day.
Hi, Mentor Mariel. I'm Kat Zappelli from New Jersey, and I'm also a Sapphire Elite Executive from Team Agnes Day.
Hi, Mentor Mariel. My name is Genevieve Diaz from Bluefield, New Jersey. I'm an Emerald Elite Executive of Team Agnus Day. Thank you so much for gracing us with your time today. Thank you so much also for sharing with us your knowledge about this business. I'm sure we learned a lot from you. And with that, we want to greet you. Happy Mother's Day!
Hi Marielle, my name is Grace Belizzi. I'm from New Jersey and I'm a Sapphire Elite Executive.
Hi Marielle, I'm Fikashi Lopez, but I'm here in New Jersey, USA, and I'm part of Agnus Day. Happy Mother's Day, Marielle, Padilla.
Hello Mentor Marielle! Nako, nagpapasalamat talaga kami dahil kauna-unahan talaga nag-casting mo ay sa Team Agnus Day at saksakan talagang pasalamat at saksakan ka talagang hinihintay ng team natin dito sa Amerika, no? Kilala mo na ako? My name is Elaine Magat and you know, ikaw pa talaga nagpo-promote sa akin, di ba? No? I'm Diamond Elite Executive of I Am Worldwide and also the founder of Team Agnus Day. Kasama ko talaga ngayon ng mga saksakan ng mga mothers, no? Na mga excited na makita ka namin. Kaya dahil dyan, we want to greet you a Happy Mother's Day! Yay!
Hello, Miss Marielle. We would like to greet you a Happy Mother's Day. My name is Marielle.
And I'm Edna.
We are from British Columbia, Canada, and we are with Team Agnus Day.
Amazing morning! Happy Mother's Day sa saksakan ng ganda, saksakan ng bait, Mentor Mariel Padilla. Continue to be an inspiration sa lahat ng mga mommies na napapagsabay-sabay ang kanilang pagiging hands-on mom and ang pag-business. So, God bless you, Mormons. Happy Mother's Day. See you sa June. Bye!
Hello, Mentor Mariel. Ayan, so binabati kita no ng Happy Mother's Day. Sobrang namimiss ka na namin, no? Parang ang bilis lang ng panahon nung nag-Korea tayo, no? And I hope maulit-ulit yung bonding natin, no? So, see you and God bless you more. So, kita-kits!
Happy Mother's Day sa saksakan ng ganda, saksakan ng sipag, saksakan ng galing. Ano pa ba ang saksakan na wala sa'yo, Ment? Nasa'yo na ata lahat. Happy Mother's Day, Mentor Mariel! We just want you to know that we appreciate you and we are blessed na nakilala at nakasama ka namin doon sa trip natin sa Korea. It's really one of the memorable trips na na-experience namin dito sa I Am Worldwide dahil of course, nakasama at mas nakilala ka namin. Nakita ko kung paano mo talaga inaalagaan si Isabella. Kaya when I think of a mother, totoo to, Menta, isa ka sa mga mothers na naiisip ko na very nurturing sa kanilang mga anak. I hope to be like you one day once I become a mother too, na maging napaka-patient at napakabait katulad mo. Congratulations, Mentor Mariel. We are so proud sa lahat ng mga na-achieve mo dito sa I Am Worldwide. Kahit na cross lines mo kami, know that we are rooting for you to reach the diamond dito sa I Am Worldwide. Congratulations once again and Happy Mother's Day. See you soon.
Good morning, Mentor Mariel. Happy Mother's Day sa bonggang-bonggang nanay, super ganda at super bait. Hello!
Well, I just want to greet you in advance. Happy Mother's Day. I know naman that you're doing an amazing job as a mom, just like an amazing Marley. Nakita ko yun na nasa SK tayo, how caring and loving you are to beautiful Isabella. Just continue doing what you love at alam ko naman lahat yun na nababalansin mo yun. You're such a genuine person and beautiful person inside and out. At saksakan talaga ng bait at walang kaere-ere. On Mother's Day, I wish you all the love and happiness and just everything for you. Sending love, hugs, and kisses on Mother's Day. See you soon. Mwah.
Hi! Happy Mother's Day, Mentor Mariel! Ang saksakan ng sipag, ang saksakan ng bait, ang saksakan ng kagandahan nating mentors. Mentors, and continue na maging inspirasyon ka ng mga momshies din natin dyan. So, miss you, mens! Happy Mother's Day again! Bye!
Surprise! Happy Mother's Day, Ma. You've been an excellent mom to your kids. Keep it up. You give them everything that you can. You exert extremely a lot of effort for them. You're teaching them well, and I'm so proud of you. Love you, Ma. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, Ma! So, we just want to say we are so proud of you. Continue what you are doing. You are such a wonderful mother to Isabella and Gabriela. And we want to say that we miss you all. Hope to see you all soon, and we love you. Happy Mother's Day, Mariel, and to all the mothers of I Am Worldwide. God bless.